Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2019 Kubota BX23S tractor, loader, backhoe, 3-point hitch kit package. This has a Femco roof on the top of it. There's 313 hours on this tractor. It is in very, very good running working condition. Does have the manual thumb on the back. Local tractor, guy bought it brand new. Has some nice options on it. Starting at the front, it does have the skid steer coupler on the LA 340 quick attach loader. So it does have the 48-inch bucket with the bolt-on cutting edge and the skid steer quick attach coupler. R4 tires. Does again have the 3-point hitch kit. In the back, going to have a BT603 subframe style mount backhoe attachment with the mechanically adjustable thumb 12-inch bucket. Tractor has some normal scratches and scrapes on it. There's one little ding in the hood, but it's a very good running, working mechanical tractor. We're going to start here under the hood, take it completely around this tractor. Fold the grill guard out, we're going to open up the hood. We've done a complete and full service. All the filters and oils have been changed. We've done everything there so that it was taken care of and it is ready to go. Powered by a Kubota D902, 3-cylinder diesel engine, starts and runs great. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. We have completely greased and serviced this tractor. Again, up front, you'll see right up here, very up front, watch yourself, Braden. Complete set of 3-point hitch arm kit with top link and what's called the stay. All the bushings are there, everything is there to put it on the tractor. I don't know that he ever used it, maybe 1 or 2 times. Bucket up front is in good shape. Has the bolt-on cutting edge and skid steer coupler. Again, R4 tires. Does have the Femco roof. Folding roll bar. BT603 backhoe attachment. 12-inch bucket. And then this is going to have the mechanical thumb right here that you can actually pull the pin out. And you can actually fold this thumb up into a whole nother position. And I'm just doing that for demonstration purposes here so everybody can see how that works. And there it is. Very handy if you're doing a lot of firewood stuff, different things, rocks. We'll go over here to the control side. Control side, you're going to have your mid PTO or your PTO engagement. You've got your selection of rear. Rear and mid are just mid. And you can put a belly mower underneath this. You're going to have a little cup holder here with a power outlet. Seats in excellent condition, armrest package. On a 23S or any of the BX series tractors, they do honestly have a very nice seat that is going to tilt around just like that and basically latch in place, okay? Whenever we're going to reverse that, we're going to take this and do it in reverse, and all it has to do here is then latch back in place. And I'm going to go ahead and put this little cover right back on the armrest where it belongs. You are going to have here tilt steering. We're going to show you here 313 hours. All the gauges work. 4-ways, turn signals, headlights. You're going to have your throttle. Over here you're going to have your high and low range. Over here you're going to have 4-wheel drive. Joystick loader control. Up and down for your 3-point hitch arms whenever you have them on. Forward and reverse. Parking brake. Guys, it's a very good running tractor. I'm going to fire it up here. We're going to run it around. We're going to show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So, big thing here we do, we are going to show you full drive works. We're going to show you that it does go through all of its ranges. Helped by having in 4-wheel drive. Now it's out of 4-wheel drive. So that's low range, forward and reverse. We'll go ahead and shift into high. And again, this little tractor is in very good running working condition. I do have the books and manuals to it. The tractor will come with 2 keys. ahead and engage the parking brake. We're going to go ahead and swivel the seat back around again. Latch it in place. We'll go ahead, hop right up on the tractor. We'll put the outriggers down. See it picks itself up there. Again, this was a private owner had this. He actually moved into our area, bought the track to do a bunch of work around his property, and then decided to sell some things off to do some other, basically pursue some other interests that he had. So we were glad to get this off of him. So now all we're going to do, these are our service locking pins. So that one's going to fall right in here. This unit is going to go in here. As far as your swivel, that's all there is to it. Bring the tape. You can exit the tractor just like that. Throttle the tractor down. And again, we're just going to take, swivel that seat back around. And we are going to make sure it latches in place. Release our parking brake. Oh, there it is. Turn signals 4 ways, headlights all work. Tractor is ready to go to work, guys. 313 hours. Going to be bought as a tractor, loader, backhoe, skid steer coupler, 3-point hitch kit. It is 100% ready to go to work. It is serviced. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Tractor's not a piece of junk. It is a very good running, working tractor. And again, that's why we take the time to service our stuff. Guys, the BX series lineup out there is probably one of the best subcompact tractor loader backhoes in the market, in my opinion. And I see that from a mechanical standpoint. If you're buying a red tractor, not a fan. If you're buying a green tractor, not a fan there either. But they're better than all of the other ones. If it's blue, any shade of blue, I'm not for them. I think that the Kubota tractor itself, as far as simple maintenance, easy to work on, parts readily available, it's not hard to tell in today's industry what Kubota market or what Kubota is marketing to. They're marketing to the smaller operator, the people that's their core group of people they care about. A lot of those other companies, in my opinion, you know, they build dozers and they build wheel loaders and they build this and they build that. That's not Kubota's focus. So when you look at a product like that that's built by them, it's built with that entity in mind, which is an amazing thing. So again, if you're looking for a really nice tractor, 313 hours, tractor, loader, backhoe, 3-point hitch, fully serviced, ready to go to work, 814-658-3066. We're located right here in Saxton, Pennsylvania. I own this machine. It is ours. We're not a broker. We own our equipment. So guys, you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.